Okay, so today we're going to do some crispy chicken fettuccine Alfredo. As you can see, I have a fresh wedge of Parmesan cheese. That's important because if you want your Alfredo to be creamy, it's important that you slice the cheese yourself. We have some Kerrygold butter and some light country crock butter. We'll be using that. I'll probably use 1.5 of this heavy whipping cream. And then of course we have our fettuccine. The simple ingredients I will be using in the fettuccine Alfredo sauce is the Italian seasoning, coarse ground black pepper, and then some fresh garlic. Freshly chop about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Dropped in my finely chopped garlic. Dropped in about 1/4 to 1/2 of the Kerrygold butter. And about 3 tablespoons of the country crock butter. Allow all of this to melt down over medium heat. All right, that is cooked down beautifully. We are now going to add in 1.5 cartons of the heavy whipping cream. Adding in the heavy whipping cream. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of the Italian seasoning and 1/2 teaspoon of the coarse black pepper. And we have freshly grated our cheese. The Alfredo sauce is coming together nicely. We're going to dump in our cheese. I did about maybe 1/2 block of the Parmesan cheese grated up. And we'll just pour that right in. Seasonings for the chicken. All right, so I have a chicken breast here, and we are going to slice it down the middle to thin it out a bit. And then we are going to season both sides of the breast. All right, I have my chicken breast seasoned with a little bit of badilla and the adobo on both sides, and I'm going to just lightly batter. Dropping our chicken breast in the grease. Put your noodles on for about 12 to 13 minutes, medium heat. And be sure to add some butter and parsley to those noodles. And just FYI, I did a video similar to this, but it was more of a Alfredo bake. This one was more of a stovetop. So check that video out as well. Thanks for watching.